Hi, my name's Abby, and today I'm going to make yummy, 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 yummy dessert. So I have tapioca and mung beans. That's a lot of mung beans and coconut milk and water and sugar. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put all the mung beans inside the pan. Okay. And drop it. Oh! That's a really jumpy mung bean. Oh my goodness, mung bean. Now I'm gonna cook the mung bean until it turns golden brown. It cannot be this yet. Colors. Okay, so it takes a long time until it turns golden brown. Sometimes it turns golden brown. Want to have a closer look at the golden mung beans? They are color changing ones. The mung beans are brown. I'm going to use this to roll it and crack it. It's cracking, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. Well, I almost said that sound. Let's read that sound again. It's going to be so yummy for Daddy. Okay, guys, so they broke into 2 pieces each. Now let's cut and wash all of the banana. Oh my goodness. This is getting so visible. This is invisible. Guys, I wish I would have a cotton robot to help me. There we go. Now let's cut it. There we go, guys. Whoops. Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna do this too. Press. Now let's wash it and drain it. So let's do it from one by one till I dried it off. Okay, this is a big. Now let's cap it and boil it. Okay guys, now let's put the coconut milk in. Ooh, coconut milk. The coconut milk is boiling. Now let's put the sugar in. We're done washing the tapioca and now let's put it inside the pot. Last but not least is the mung beans. If you want to watch more videos and cook more of this, you have to click my name and subscribe me to the channels. And if you want to eat this, then click like me. Bye bye. See you next time.